another video, and today we are going to be getting the lockpick. We are just going to be getting it. What the hell? Okay, continue. Why is like this? Wait a minute, what happened? Wait, what happened? Okay, never mind. Whoa, wait. Let me restart HelloNeighbor right now. Okay. Okay, now. I restarted the game because something was happening. I don't know what was happening. So, finally we're gonna get the lockpick. And I know how to get it in Act 3. Alright. Game just started! And my TV is... This is my new TV. My new TV. I traded for glue. I trade my glue for this new TV. My old TV was stupid. And I got a remote too. And my bad TV, the stupid TV, is right here. We don't need that. So we're gonna go in here. Let's finally get the lockpick. Because I want that lockpick. Good luck. Would you close the elevator? But why? Okay. Wait, I just need to do something. I needed to do something. Did I just heard a scream? Okay, guys, this is how we're gonna get the lockpick today. Okay, this is not watching. Okay, let's get this blue key. Okay, where the hell did that key go? Okay, now, this is how we're gonna get it. Alright. Okay. Okay. Now, what do I have to do? Oh, yes! Okay, now, double jump here. No! Why did you do that to me? You betrayed me. I would love to be voted. There's a mosquito right here. Let's try the power trick again. Make sure he's not watching. Okay. Alright, now. Gotta turn it. Try this again. Now. Okay. We're gonna go here. No, we're gonna go right here. Okay, now. Come on. Okay, now. Yes, we're on it. Boom! Okay, we got it. Now. Do it now. Okay. Yes, we're here. Now I have to go inside here. Now we go here. Oh my goodness, we got to the mission script. Now I have to go all the way back to his house. It's right there. His house is right there. We're gonna finally get the lockpick, or will not. It's evening right now. It's dawn. Okay. Whee! Okay. Let's go. We're up here now. Let's go. this? Wait, am I stuck? Oh. What? Am I stuck here? Am I stuck? Am I just stuck here? Oh, I got out. I just needed to double jump everywhere. Okay. We're so close to his house. Wait, I just need to go from here. From here, from here, from here. Alright, now. Double jump! Wait, double jump! Wait, what? Oh, need to go here. Need to go here, need to go here, need to go here. Okay, here. What? Wait, what? Wait, where's the lockpick? Did tinybuild remove it? Wait, where's the lockpick? I'm not just going crazy. It was like there was like so many trees right here, and then there was the lockpick right here. What? Wait, what? Okay, we cannot find the lockpick, so we'll just go back and do something that the neighbor can do. We can do something that the neighbor can't do. Okay. Oh my goodness, what just happened there? Okay, I'm gonna get my gun. It's in my trunk. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Get away. Woo, okay. Now. Okay, now. Alright, let's get this stupid thing out of here. Now, we'll go get right there. Okay. Now, I will go here. Oh, come on. Okay. Where's the train? I don't see the train. What is... Oh, my goodness. What is here? Can you open this? Okay, I just got here for nonsense. No. Where did the lockpick go? Is it by this train? Wait, what? Wait. Wait a minute. Wait a a second. Wait, there's a bunch of boxes here. I don't know why it is. You have a lot of boxes. My goodness. Okay. On top of here. It's right there? What? Like, how much far did I go? I went there, and it came here, and it's right here. What? Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to get this lockpick in the next episode. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more.